I hope we all are keeping fine. So today let's start our new topic, that is chapter 14, the verb, action, word. So before starting this chapter, let me first of all tell you the definition of this action, verb and the word. So let's see. Words that tells us what a person, animal or thing is doing are called verbs. Second, verbs shows action. So they are also called action words or doing words. Let's see again the same definition. I request every one of you to open page 58 and see where I am reading. Words that tells us what a person, animal, thing is doing are called verbs. Second, verb shows action. So they are also called action words or doing words. Before moving to the examples, I would like to ask you one thing. What are you doing right now? You are watching my video. What I am doing right now? I am teaching you through this video. Okay children? Here the action performed by me and you. That means the work done by you and me. That is the action verb. Now, what are we doing right now? You are watching my video. Okay. Watching is the action performed by you. And what I am doing right now? I am teaching you through this video. Teaching is the action performed by me. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Verbs are words that shows what the subject does, says, has or is. Verbs have different forms. All forms of verbs come from base verbs. A base verb is the simplest form of a verb without any special ending. A base verb changes form to show tense. That means base form play is present, played is past, will play is the future. All actions verbs come from base form of doing verbs. For example, Grandpa is reading the newspaper. In this, reading is the base verb. All action verbs come from the base form of doing verbs. Some verbs called the saying verbs shows how living things express themselves. Some verbs called the saying verbs show how living things express themselves. That means, for the example, you can see here, the children were screaming. Screaming is the action done by the living members. Now let's see the examples. First, Nikki is doing a lot of action on a holidays. Okay, first one, Nikki waters the plants. Then she eats an apple. She also washes her bike. She writes a letter to her grandmother. Next one, later she goes to take a bath. Finally, what she does? She reads a book. First, Nikki waters, then eats, then washes, writes and goes, and then after that reads. So, all these action verbs are also called doing verbs. They come from the verb to do. Verb to do means to take, to fold, to fill, to clean. Verbs are words that state actions which shows what someone or something does. So children, let's understand again what is an action verb. Words which shows that person, animal and things are doing are called verbs. They are also called action words. Now let's see the words that tells us what. Let's see first example. The boy is eating food. Now, what is the boy doing here? The boy is eating food. Eating is the action performed by this boy. I have highlighted with green. You can see here with green color. Okay, why? Because the reason is that this action is done by boy. Action is that he is eating. Now the next one. What is the girl doing here? The girl is sleeping. Now, what are the children doing here? The children are studying. Now, what is the mother doing here? The mother is cooking food. Now, what are birds doing? The birds are flying in the sky. Now, what are the children doing here? The children are playing with a ball. You can see playing is the action done by these children. Now let me test your knowledge whether you have understood or not. First example, the cat is dash milk. Now what will be the answer here? The cat is eating or the cat is drinking? The drinking is the correct answer. Second, Priya is dash a song. Answer, Priya is singing a song. Next one, Ram is dash an apple. Answer is, Ram is eating an apple. Fourth one, boys are dash fast. Answer, barking no. Boys are running fast. I request all of you to write this test, write these questions and answer in your fair copy so that you will understand better. I also request you to read the chapter 14 and again page number 58. Thank you and have a nice day.